Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, you'll need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of gloves for safety. Make sure your Dyson DC45 is turned off and unplugged before starting the battery replacement process. First, locate the two screws at the bottom of the handle. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove these screws carefully. It's essential to keep them in a safe place, as you will need them later to secure the new battery. Next, gently pull the handle away from the main body of the vacuum. You may need to use a flathead screwdriver to pry it open slightly if it feels stuck. Be cautious not to damage any components inside. Once the handle is free, set it aside. Now, you'll see the battery compartment. The battery is held in place by a couple of more screws. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws as well. After removing the screws, you can lift the old battery out of its compartment. If you encounter any resistance, make sure all screws are removed. Before installing the new battery, take a moment to clean the battery compartment with a soft cloth. Dust and debris can affect the performance of your vacuum. If you prefer, you can also contact us for a professional diagnosis without obligation to ensure everything is in order. With the compartment cleaned, take the new battery and align it properly with the connectors. Gently push it into place until it clicks securely. Then, replace the screws you removed earlier to hold the battery in position. Make sure they are tight but avoid over-tightening, which could damage the plastic. Next, take the handle and reattach it to the main body. Make sure it fits snugly, and then secure it by reinserting the two screws you previously removed from the handle. Once everything is back in place, it's time to test your vacuum. Turn it on and ensure it operates properly. If you're unsure about any steps, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about traveling or making phone calls for repairs. Just request a quote before repair, and we'll take care of the rest. Finally, if your vacuum is working well, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the battery on your Dyson DC45. Regular maintenance is key to keeping your vacuum in optimal condition, so remember to clean filters and check for blockages frequently. Thank you for following this guide, and happy cleaning! Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.